Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar to access scholarly articles and other research that you can use to complete your research projects. Google Scholar is a free interdisciplinary search engine that you can use in addition to library databases to find a variety of types of information. These include scholarly journal articles, research reports, dissertations and theses, patents, manuscripts in preparation, and many other document types. Just like anything else you find on the internet, it's essential to evaluate all Google Scholar sources to make sure they're appropriate to your topic and the correct source types that your professors want you to be using. You can access Google Scholar one of two ways. First, you can go to scholar.google.com and use the searching interface that is available to you right there, or you can use the link in our databases list, accessible from the UVU Library homepage, by clicking on Databases, clicking on the G, and scrolling on down to Google Scholar to access this via the UVU Library proxy. So the reason we'd want to do that is because Google Scholar can show you everything you should have access to as a UVU student. If I'm searching for articles about voting behavior and I type my keywords into Google Scholar, I'll see all of the things that are available to me via open access, which means that anyone on the internet can view and read them, and things that are available to me via the UVU Library. So if I click on something with a UVU Library link, it may redirect me back to our own library databases, so I can go ahead and save and cite the article using our tools on the right, or view the article using our tools on the left. The other way to see everything that's available to you as a UVU student is to change your own settings. Click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, then click Settings, and finally click Library Links. This will give you a search bar where you can search for Utah Valley University. Once you click the checkbox next to it and click Save, you'll be able to see everything that you should be able to see as a UVU student. I absolutely recommend keeping the checkbox next to Open WorldCat checked so you can see everything that's open access as well. And I can go ahead and do my search again to view all the research I should have access to. One key feature of Google Scholar is being able to see what research has come after an article was published. You can see that the second article was published in the year 2000. If I want to see what research has built on the arguments that these authors made, I can click the Cited By link to see all of the sources that have cited my original source. You can also see that while most of what we are seeing in our results are scholarly journal articles, which you can identify by looking at the publication, we do have some books, and there's also the option to include patents within our results. I usually don't include patents, but I do include citations so that I can see articles to which we might not have access, but that I might want to go ahead and request through interlibrary loan later. You can limit the results by date, but the limiters in Google Scholar are much less robust than in other library databases. One great thing about Google Scholar is that it searches the full text of the article, and it uses much more natural searching language than some of our library databases. You may have been taught to use structured keywords using and, or, and not, and using quotation marks around phrases or multiple word keywords, but Google Scholar works a lot more like Google. You can actually just type in a variety of keywords and see the results that you'd like to see. So those are the basics of Google Scholar. If you'd like to learn more or have any questions, you are always welcome to ask a librarian. Good luck with your research, and reach out when you need help.